Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a SUI USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, before I start analyze the charts, I would like to remind you till end of November this month, I got a minus 50% Black Friday deal for all indicator set plans, included their lifetime. Guys, you remember my main plan for SUI. So when we accumulated here, and this was a block for fixation profit swing trades, then we drop it down again to 61 level by FIB and going higher to new all-time high. Retest it one more time, this block 27 zone, how to work with that zone. I highly recommend you go and check free educational video. Now it's open space. Absolutely, guys. There is no levels where this token can stop. It's absolutely the same story like with BTC. And now it can be this move. So every single time we can build triangles, people open short, but we're breaking out, retesting, going higher again. Then build one more triangle and new leg up until infinity, because we can't know where this token will stop. So the first things what you don't have to do is just open every single time short position with the leverages when you see new all-time high on SUI. Can be the same mistake like with BTC though. So the people short BTC signs 74K. Because we hit new all-time high, and that's a psychological moment when the people think, and I did the same mistake previously, when you think, oh, I catch exact top, and now I will open crazy, just a crazy short position, just at this stop loss, for example, like tiny one, and gonna open short, and we going down to retest previous all-time high. From this current level, it can be like 43%, right? And I multiply to 10 leverage, right? Crazy profit. But what happened next? We just traded here. Everything looks like okay. You not fix a profit, and we're going higher. And you got a stop loss or liquidation. So that's the point, guys. Don't need to open just by luck. Short position. So I don't think so. We'll drop again to these stages for accumulation. So this FIB, initiation accumulation pump model, playing out perfectly well on this asset. Let's take a look if, for example, this was a last impulse correction. This is what I'm talking about. If this FIB corrects from the top to support, we're breaking out that FIB and we move to the next level. So here, $3.24. It's 1.61 level by FIB. Next step, $4.96. So around $5 is going to be the psychological price for the SUI. Let's compare the SUI SOL. I don't think so the SUI overperformed the SOL, but take a look. To hit the same capitalization like SOL have now, we have to reach like $43. Just to be honest, I don't think so. The SUI will reach $43 this cycle. All right, so let's compare with some other token. Let's compare with Avalanche. We have to reach like $5.18. Yes, it's absolutely possible. And if the Avalanche will be on the same level, you know, yes, SUI sooner or later will be in top 10. $10 is like 2,600% gains. And from the listing price, it can be like, I guess, almost 10K, yes. So yes, to reach 31 billion market cap, we have to make it from this current prices 3x. Accumulate or not, SUI, it's only up to you, because if you believe in 30 billion market cap for SUI and it's more than real to see, take a look. From this current prices, it can be only like 200% gains. So less than 200% gains. So this is not what I'm looking for from the altcoins. Time to accumulate, all altcoins should be in time. Should be in right time. So time for accumulation was here and here, based on initiation accumulation pump model. Now, I don't see any reason to accumulate SUI for the altcoin season. Guys, no matter how high this token will pump. Yes, of course, you can tell me we'll go like Solana to $200 to $300 like SOL. Yeah, guys, of course, everything possible, right? But I would be more realistic with the targets. And I don't see any reason to hop in this asset again here for 200% profit, for example, or even for 300% profit. Of course, it depends on your initial deposit, but it's kind of big risk. While the same time, a lot of altcoins lay down at the bottom. Absolutely underrated. A lot of altcoins are underrated. So why people always pay attention for the tokens which already perform? Because the people maybe love to see the green charts. and hop into tokens when they perform. They start Googling. So nobody looking at some altcoins when they lay down at the bottom. But the time for accumulation was here. Let's take a look with my customer set. What's going on now with SUI. Based on direction here. This is definitely not an all-time high like end of bull run for these assets. Of course, because of the BTC dominance still over than 60%. Got it. Definitely we will see the BTC dominance under 50%, and this is going to be the crazy rally for alts, but not all altcoins will perform in the same time. You have to understand it, right? So take a look. This is a totally free, absolutely madness. This is a top, but without any signals to sell of that assets. Here was a crazy signals for accumulation. Here's a distribution, and take a look. We did it form the warranty. Yes, everything okay. So I would like to see, you know, the warranty on ADZ, something like this one on a weekly time frame, like this move, and new all-time high on the chart, and then going down the correction. In the next bear market, guys. So this is my take, of course, guys. You can open the video of SUI previously, what I shared last year's, you know, or this year. So everything should be in time. So that's the logic. Here's money outflow, RSI bearish, the warranty. Money inflow was like a confirmation in June. So if you miss it, for example, here, you could accumulate it here at 61 level by FIB by indentation accumulation pump stage. Now, I talk about the zones where okay to fix profit, because not all videos should be where to buy. Now we have to like build a plan where to sell, where to fix a profit. And of course, guys, it's can be like, I don't know, even like this move to $20, to $30. Possible, why not? But be careful, because a lot of people, for example, hop into some token at all-time high, then some small correction pull back down 43%, and you lost or lose until you fix your losses 40% on spot portfolio. So everything should be in time. Here was a confirmation signal to buy in zone of accumulation. Some take profit, sell, buy back. Sell, no new signal to sell. And of course, you will never catch the bottom, never sell the top, but with some proper plan, you can build a plan where to accumulate, where to distribute step by step. Take profit. On the weekly, no data, because just a brand new token. On the daily, here, on the history, you can track how it playing out previously and how it react on the levels. Here was a perfect test of fundamental value of this asset. Now we trade way over exit line. So, correction. Here is a, most likely we'll see something like continuation. Up, test of 1.61 level by FIB, $3.24, and going higher, for example. So take exit line now, it's $2.81. Take profit line above $2.49. Buy line $1.25. Fundamental value, it's 93 cents. This is not an option. I think we'll trade some time period here. I think it's going to be like this one, bounce, then test the take profit line, bounce, and going down to the buy line, then bounce again to take profit, and it's going to be the end of bull run. But of course, guys, only the sky is the limit now. Everything what is about $3.93. So just in case, guys, don't play with a short position without a stop loss, and don't gamble trying to catch exact top. And be realistic with your targets. All updates I showed you. If you like to trade with my customer care site, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget to show my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.